Hey, how you doing? I thought I'd show you my Freedom Pop phone here. Freedom Pop is a service that you can get 200 minutes free a month, and you can get a 500 megabytes of data for free. If some of you are like me and don't use a phone all that much, but you still need one, it's a pretty good service for that. I've had Freedom Pop for about 3 years. When I first got it, it was a CDMA system, which is basically Verizon, but Sprint is one of the smaller companies that uses them, and Sprint don't work good where I live. In fact, at home I had to use Wi-Fi. In bigger cities it works fine, but Freedom Pop kind of works off of an app. What it reminds me of, you can see it right here, and here's what it looks like here, and I'll go up here. It's kind of neat about see, you can see it's got, you hit those three little bars up there, and it'll show you how many minutes you got left, and you can get service and all there. That's all pretty neat. The problem I had with Freedom Pop was the fact that where I lived, I didn't get service a lot, and that's mainly because it's going through Sprint. I was charged $1.99 a month for the fees, and that was all. And another problem I had to turn the phone on and off every day, or it wouldn't work. And sometimes I would forget, to cut it off and on. There might have been something I could do about that, but I never did get around to doing it. But that's the way Freedom Pop looks. There. It doesn't work like a normal service. But anyway, I did get a SNM card, a GSM card, which is basically AT&T. But there's other phones like T-Mobile and all that work off of that kind of a system card. But the problem with it, the service came from the UK, so there's a lot of delay when you was trying to use it. But that's the way Freedom Pop looks, and that's my experience with it. If you're thinking about Freedom Pop, I'd recommend it, if you live in a larger city. If you're out in a rural area, probably won't work that good for you. And remember that it's working off a Sprint is normally what you get, unless you can get a GSM card like I did. I only gave 99 cents for the card, and they sent it to me for free. But it worked better in this area where I live, where AT&T seems to be the king here where I live, and I live up just below Chattanooga, Tennessee. All right. Hope this is some help for somebody. Thanks, and if you like my video, give a thumbs up, and if you subscribe, I put videos on a lot of different things. Some of it is probably interesting to you if you'll subscribe and look at my other videos. Thanks for watching.